Well, I thought the most exciting finding was actually that something as crude, if you will, as movement, or a crude measure of movement, just measuring at the wrist or at the ankle, can actually provide information about sleep. So I think that was the most exciting thing. But it's probably even ignorant to believe that it might not be the case, because we know that the whole body's physiology changes during sleep. It's not just the brain. We know about breathing and heart rate and all sorts of different aspects of our physiology changes. So maybe it's ignorant to believe that movement might not reflect these oscillations during sleep. So I thought that was very exciting. And when Eva Winnebeck, my mentor, said we should look at this movement, I said, oh, it's not going to have any information in it whatsoever. But no, I have to take that back. I think it holds a lot of information. The wonderful thing about when you use what people call actimetry or actigraphy, that lots of the devices actually measure light as well. And light is very important for circadian rhythms. So it also allows us to judge what the circadian phases at which people sleep, so what circadian time they sleep, and whether that has huge influences. We know it influences sleep consolidation and also some of the stages, especially REM sleep, but it would obviously be great to combine that in long longitudinal data sets. Sleep cycles have been discovered. They're fascinating. We have a change between non-REM and REM stages, and that changes over the course of the night, potentially in their duration, the cycles, but we don't really know what influences that. So there's very little done because the determination of cycles is very complex and we have different rules for it. So we hope that we might get at this fascinating pattern of why sleep is so particularly cyclic. And that would be wonderful to answer. And potentially it's very subtle effects, so we need large data probably for it. Or we might find that it's just really stable and just generated very stably and does not change between people.